person already using the brand new system.
Okay, so I'm gonna start a full day of eating for fat loss. I am starting a 2-week cut. I started it 2 days ago. So right now I'm having just a plain coffee with stevia, which is 0 calories, soy milk, and it's 90 calories, but I used half of a serving, so 45 calories, and it does have protein in it. So I'm getting 3.5 grams of protein just from this as my creamer, which is nice. So this is the first thing I'm having today. I know I'm going to be having my green drink. I've kind of planned out some things that I'm going to be eating. I'm not sure if I'm going to have my tofu today. I'm going to have chicken. I got some veggies and some stuff like that. So let's just get this day started. I need this to wake up right now. I feel so tired. The dogs wanted me to get up early today on my day off. So I'm up now having my coffee, and I'm gonna drink this and then see what I'm gonna eat. I think I'm gonna make some oats. So if I make that, I'll show you guys what I do. Okay, so I'm on meal 2 and I'm gonna make oatmeal. So I almost forgot to pick up the camera because I'm so hungry now. So I'm trying to set this up. Okay, so I have my 1 cup measuring cup, and then I just have quick oats. So I'm just putting that in my bowl. Probably should get a bigger bowl. Hold on. I'm doing 1 cup because yesterday I did half a cup and it wasn't enough. So I feel like getting full and staying full longer. So I'm gonna put that in my Fitness Pal. So I'm gonna go add food and then search food because I have it in my recent. So oatmeal, quick oats. And then it starts as half a cup. So I'm just doing 2 servings, which is 300 calories, 54 carbs, 6 fat, 10 protein. So then I just click add. So that's my first thing. So I'm gonna add in some milk. I'll do a full serving of milk, so it'll be 240 milliliters. Okay. Then I'll just give it a quick stir so it's all like, has a little bit of the milk on it. And then I'm gonna zero the scale back out, add in my peanut butter. The serving size is 32 grams. So I'm just gonna get that. Just do a little at a time. Okay, that was 18. Oh, I dropped it on my phone. Alright, that's too much. I'm gonna take a little bit out. Okay, that's right on. I'll show you. Okay, 32. So I have that in there. I'm gonna add in just a few mini chocolate chips. I'll weigh it out just in case I add too much because I don't want to not count them on my macros. Okay, so the serving size is 15 grams. I put in that many, and it's only 2 grams. So I have peanut butter on my phone now, so I gotta clean that off. And then I'm going to add in, I'm gonna lock my screen. There. Okay, so I'm gonna add in the peanut butter. And since I have it in my recent, I have it like individually by grams, so I do, like if I want less of the serving size, I'll just go gram for gram. So I'll just do 32. And then the chocolate chips, I'm gonna click the scan and then scan them in. See, like you can change the serving size on this. So I always just try to go in individual grams. And then I only did 2 grams. And it was only 9 calories. So when I melt this, it'll be like nice and like a little bit of chocolate in it. And then I'm gonna add in some coconut chips. I don't really know if I like these or not. I'm just literally gonna add like a few in, and that didn't even weigh 1 gram, so that's okay. And then the last thing I'm gonna add is just cinnamon. I'm gonna add a lot of cinnamon. There's all the cinnamon that I add. And then I'm just gonna, oh I got peanut butter on my phone again. Making a mess over here. Okay, and then I'm just gonna stir it up as best as I can, since the peanut butter is like already, it's not really like super runny or anything. It's kind of harder to stir up, but once it goes in the microwave, it'll stir better. What I prefer to do is just make this as like a overnight oats. It makes it a lot easier if you make it like overnight. So I'm just literally gonna put this in for 1 minute and then that's it. So for a quick snack, I'm having honeydew with tahini, and I just pour it all over it. And then I'm going to have lunch, and it was chicken. So I grilled the chicken and then diced up like small potatoes and then baked those in the oven at 400 for like 45 minutes. And let me see the macros on that. So I used, the one chicken breast was 2.4 ounces, 108 grams of potatoes, 1 serving of the ketchup, and then it was only 10 milliliters of the Hidden Valley Bold Buffalo Dip, so that was only 30 calories, which was good because I just used a small amount. So that meal was only 201 calories, 24 grams of carbs, 5 grams of fat, and 17 grams of protein. Right here, I'm trying to show you the macros on that, but it was taking forever for the thing to focus, for the camera to focus. But the calories are a little bit high. If you're using like a full serving, it's 90 calories, 9 grams of fat. So if you don't have a lot of fat in your day, you can just use a small amount like I did. Okay, so for another snack, I had these Quest chips before I had dinner, so I just had something real quick. Here's the nutrition on those. And then for dinner, we were making like nachos. So I use 90% lean ground beef, half a can of corn, the low sodium taco seasoning, and then like a few scoops of the salsa in the meat. So then I just prepared that. Here's everything that I used was the scoops, lettuce, sour cream, all that you see. And then my final meal was a protein shake with strawberries. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I just wanted to let you guys know my total and my macros for the day. My calories were 1,761. My carbs were 168. Fat 74. And my protein was 117 grams. So that's everything I had for that day. And I will see you guys on the next one.